Thutha wa ngucanio cia ihinda cia ithurano cia muthikavu wa kanitha wa Anglican gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya ya gatagati, Timothy Gichere niwe watuika muthikavu mweru. Ni thutha wa John Miano na Wilson Furugu aria marenda giturwa kiu kweyeheria. Mogite ati moete ikinya riu niguo guthi na mbere na wira wa gutungata.
Also without any coercion, having considered my brother Timothy, whom we have worked together, served together, great friends. Hata watu walikuwa wanashindwa kwa nini hawapeani nafasi zamani.
I took a decision without 1. coercion, 2. condition, 3. no MOU. But I decided to take a decision that for the sake of our diocese and for obvious reasons that I step aside in favor of my brother Timothy.
Gichere augite ati ni akuruta wira na kio niguo kurehe mugaruruku kanitha-ini ucio. Gichere akuya ithenya ria muthikavu Isaac Ng'ang'a uria wathire retire. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Wangari wa Njoroge.